All right, so we're doing a bone-in pork butt on the Daniel Boone Green Mountain Grill smoker. First, we're going to throw some duck fat on it. I did score the top of it, as you see, so I like the presentation. We got some hog waller honey here from Suckle Busters that I'm going to be using as a seasoning. And this is a heavy coat to me, depending on how you guys coat it. Again, this is the bottom. Throw some more duck fat on there. Use it as a binder. Put some more seasoning on it, depending on how you like your bark. Is how you season it, but season the top and the bottom. Then make sure to get the sides, kind of pat it down with your hand here. Get all the sides. I went a little heavier on the sides after the video, but now we're gonna go in for the spritz. So we're gonna spritz every hour. I have it on at 300 degrees, and we're gonna let this thing go till it's done, till we hit about 205. So just look at the colors though. This is just after the first hour. Just the colors are changing the first hour. And the second hour here, I'm going to speed it up a little bit just to show you guys how the colors are changing. And I haven't cooked one unwrapped before, so this is my first unwrapped one. So this was about a 9-hour cook is what we did here at 300 degrees. And this thing just turned out incredible. But just look at the colors. Spritzing with apple juice every hour, just changing that thing. And wow, what a piece of meat here. And we're almost at the end here. And just look at the colors, the flavor. Oh man, this thing is yummy. So now that we've smoked it, we're going to wrap it. So I put a little bit of butter on it. I always double wrap my pork butts because it gives it even temperature. So I won't have fluctuating temperatures. And I go real easy with the foil. I don't want to rip it. And then what I do is I put it in a towel and put it in a cooler for 2 hours. Let this thing rest after you're done cooking. It needs to rest for all the juices to kind of settle down. But look at this bark. Look at the bark that it formed over 9 hours. Just tremendous flavor and beautiful. What a good looking piece of meat. So now we're going to unwrap it. We're going to pull that bone out. Boom, a little bit of friction on there, but pulled that bone out. Now it's shredding time. So we're going to shred this puppy up. So let's shred it up and let's make some tacos, some enchiladas, some nachos, whatever you want to do. But this thing had so much flavor. It was so juicy. And I recommend these to anyone out there. It's a great way to cook, but 300 degrees for about 9 hours till it hit 205. Then I wrapped it and shred it.